Hello genius, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Philip Explaining. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the values of x and y from this equation. The problem is find the values of x and y in the following equation given that x and y are natural numbers. And the equation itself is x squared minus y squared is equal to 17. Solution. You have been given x squared minus y squared is equal to 17, and I have been told that x and y are natural numbers. This x and y belongs to n, are natural numbers. Natural numbers are positive integers. Integers like about 0, -1, -2, -7, +10, +8, those are integers. So natural numbers are positive integers or counting numbers. Like now 10, 8, they are counting numbers. Are you there? So let's solve it and see. We have x squared minus y squared is equal to 17. This one here, x squared minus y squared, can be written as x plus y, x minus y if we expand. Are we there? So here you shall say x plus y, x minus y is equals to 17. Hope you understand, genius. Are we there? So at this point, you can see on the left hand side of the equation we have two factors, x plus y and x minus y. On the right hand side we have 1. So we shall make this two factors. So we have x plus y, x minus y is equals to 17 times 1. You have two factors, 17 and 1 now. And another one, x plus y, x minus y is equals to 1 times 17. You can see you have two factors also. We have other ones. For example, like -17 times -1, you shall get this. 1 times -1 times -17, you shall get 17. But we are not using this because the answers or the values that they will give us for the x and y will not adhere to this information you have been given here. You have been told that x and y are natural numbers, so we shall just use these two. Are we there? But if x and y are positive, it means that x plus y is greater than x minus y. Are we there? If they are positive, for example, let's say x is 2 and y is 3, x plus y will give us 5. X minus y will give us -1. So you can see that if x and y are positive, x plus y is greater than x minus y. Okay, so considering these two cases or these two situations here, x plus y, x minus y is equal to 17 times 1, and x plus y, x minus y is equal to 1 times 17. If x plus y is greater than x minus y, then this case here, case 2, is not true because x plus y cannot be 1 and x minus y be 17 if x and y are positive. So we shall ignore this and we shall take this now, this one up there. It makes sense. So we have x plus y, x minus y is equals to 17 times 1. Okay, so we shall say x plus y, this one here, is equals to 17. You can say this is equation 1. Then x minus y is equals to 1. We call this equation 2. Hope you understand, genius. So we shall solve this, find the values of x and y. We can either use substitution or elimination method. Let me choose elimination method. We want to eliminate y, the two equations, from the two equations. So we have y. So this and this cancels. The sign for y here is positive, here is negative. And you have to remember this, that when the sign is the same, we subtract. When the signs is there are different signs, we add. Are we there? Same sign we subtract, different signs we add. Same sign we subtract, different sign we add. Are we there? So this is positive, this is negative. For those variables that we have eliminated, that's what we are looking at. So this is positive, this is negative. So it is a different sign. So we shall add, and we shall say, shall add and say that 17 plus 1 we get 18. X plus x we get 2x. Are we there? So 2x is equals to 18. Divide all through by 2 we get our x as 9. Let's find the value of y now. We take one of the equations here. Let's take the first one. X plus y is equals to 17, and our x is 9. So 9 plus y is equals to 17. Y is equals to 17 minus 9. Y is equals to 8. So 8 is the value of y. X is equals to 9. We can try and verify and see. Let's verify. Our equation was x squared minus y squared is equal to 17. X squared minus y squared is equal to 17. So we can say, but x is equals to 9, y is equals to 8. Let's see left hand side of the equation if it equals 17. So that is x 9 squared minus 8 squared. 9 squared gives us 81. 8 squared gives us 64. 81 minus 64 we get 17. 17 is equal to 17. So we are right. Thank you, genius, for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.